Hey guys, we are back at it today. Yesterday I had a chance to clear up some of our blackberries that were creeping over the fence here and growing into our garden. It's been a struggle getting rid of them. We've been fighting them for a while now, but seems like we're slowly getting a hand of it. But these beautiful roses that are behind me here, we planted to cover the fence area in the back. This is, let me show you in the background. This is our garden here, and I'm standing here in a corner. And one of them is doing really well. There's three different varieties. Some of them are not doing as well yet, but I'll be feeding them, giving them some nutrients, and added this drip irrigation to give them a little bit of water. So we'll give more flowers on them in the next years, that is, as they mature. And then I got another black or red raspberries that I gotta clean up to be able to walk behind me here, because it's still not manageable. You can't walk through over there in the back here. We got this garden here that is done with growing in some boxes. We got bunching onions that were growing in here. They're all done with. We gotta harvest them. They've been dry, clean them up. Got a box here that I'm gonna put them in, and then probably replant them in a different box, or maybe even the same box for the winter harvest. We have carrots and other plants who are going to be remaining here. Some beets. I want to probably plant some more beets for the winter and get this garden a little bit cleaned up, because it's a unorganized mess right now. We'll be doing that today as well. So part of the reason our gardens have been neglected this year is because we have been having a lot of remodel projects inside the house as well as outside. And since I'm doing all the work mostly by myself, it took a lot of time, and I just did not have enough time to watch over the gardens. So let me show you one of the things that's going on right now. Probably last month or so, we've been working on revamping and changing our bathroom here. This is our whole bathroom, kids bathroom. Used to have a bathtub in there. Now we've kind of taken everything out. I had a friend of mine who was a tile guy. He sent his employee and he did tile for me. The rest of the work I did by myself. He just finished up everything today on the tile side, so we are ready to paint and install all the fixtures. Let me show you inside what it looks like right now. So this is the bathroom here. We have tile on one wall. We used to have, this was a bathtub we took out, made a seamless shower or curbless shower with a head here and also a handheld. Also we did add another light, as well as changed our skylight, and this was due to the outside roof repair or remodel that we did. And the back wall has also a part of the wall is matching tile, as well as this wall here. So I have to paint this, had to repair all the sheetrock, did the texture on here this last Saturday. Now, since all the grout is finished on the tile side, we'll be I'm gonna cover it and start painting this with some of the paint that I have, and then finishing off, if that paint works on color wise, we'll be finishing off with a semi-gloss finish, just so it holds up better in the bathroom. I also have to change the trim work on here and do the trim on this side here around the door. Well, I'll be finishing up the bathroom today and then working in the garden as well a little bit. So next video we'll show you the bathroom when it's finished, as well as a before and after video or pictures of it, to kind of show you what it looked like before and what it's going to be looking like right now, and as well as some of the work that will be done in the garden here. Thanks for watching. Give us a follow, like our videos if you enjoy this, and follow along.